So you're probably wondering what's the format for this? How does this all hang together? So let me just walk through this a little bit. Basically, there's three levels of breath work that you learn in this training. You get the 1 minute breathing practices that we practiced on one of those is spontaneous breath awareness. You'll learn the heart centering breath work to activate heart coherence, and you can teach this to people one-on-one and in groups, and you use it yourself as well. And then there's the deeper dive breath work, the core clearing that helps you to guide your clients to access the subconscious emotional trauma that they're carrying that's blocking them and holding them back from moving forward in their life. And you can deliver this one on one or in groups. You can deliver it in person or online. It works because our style of breath work is so gentle and nurturing. It's safe to do remotely. We do not advocate people do lying down on the floor, mouth breathing over the internet. We don't, I don't believe that it's responsible to activate that level of intensity of emotional trauma when we're not physically present with people. But the core clearing process is based on this very gentle nasal breathing that actually sometimes takes people deeper than the mouth breathing because the strange paradox in this is that the gentle approach bypasses resistance that's created by pushing. And so the quality of the transformation, as I said before, is facilitated by the quality of presence of us as the facilitators and also with our clients. So this training has everything you need to build life in service to others with breathwork. Three levels of breathwork. There's monthly mentoring, 2 sessions a month, one with Susan and I, and once with our master coaches. You can connect with them. We have a student study group as well that's ongoing and full of people who just want to help each other to bring the love to the world. There's a script for the core clearing breathwork process, which is more like a template because every breathwork session is different. And so it has openings in the session for you to personalize and customize it according to your client's needs. You get the 10-week program, Tune Up Your Life, the group sessions, all the marketing and sales systems, the enrollment script, Facebook ads are done. You get to swap sessions in the training so you get experience and confidence. There's full manuals and handbooks. Everything's recorded and you can go back and listen to it whenever you like. It's on learning platforms. We are internationally recognized by the IICT, which is the leading health provider for natural therapies. And you can get professional indemnity insurance with that. And you become part of our global heart center community. Building community is really important to me. This is not just a course, here you go, see you later kind of a thing. This has actually become part of a network of beautiful souls who you're going to feel like you've come home to, who really get you, who you feel safe to open up and to share with and allow yourself to be nurtured and supported and give back to them as well too. So our theme in our community is a rising tide floats all boats. So the structure of the training is there's three modules. The first one is on self and co-regulation, heart awakening, and that's a self-paced unit. It'll take you about 3 hours to do that. And then there's a whole stack of bonuses that take a bit longer, but the core pieces, a couple of hours. The 10-week program, You Can Change Your Life for Self Personal Growth, is in there in module 2. And then the third module is the Core Clearing Breathwork Skills Training. And that happens on a weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you're keen to jump in, I want to encourage you to register so that you can get going, do module 1 before the weekend and make a start on module 2. You don't have to have finished module 2 before you do the skills training. It's totally okay. But if you do the first or second modules in that, that's helpful. But people do come along and do the training without having started module 2 in the past, and it's fine. But if you're thinking of joining us, you can make a start on getting those core pieces going. These are the core 3 elements of module 1. You read the Keys to Emotional Mastery book, which is a little book I wrote a long time ago on the education we should have got at school about our emotions, but we never did. There's a 1 hour teaching on the 4 steps to connect from the head to the heart, a 5, 10, and 20-minute version of our heart centering breathwork meditation. Those are the foundation pieces, and then everything else I'm going to show you is just an add-on bonus that you can go through in your own time, all right? So the 6 1-minute breathing practices are there. You get the PowerPoint slide sets for these. You can personalize and customize them and rebrand them. People are using them to make 5-day breath Facebook challenges, to running little mini courses on a 5 or 6 week course, or you can start your sessions off with a 1-minute breathing practice. We have a lady, Rachel Riddington, who's a minister. She used the breathing practices to help a woman at the end of her life come to peace and acceptance of her passing. And she met with her every Friday for a few months, and they just did the 1-minute breathing practice. It helped raise her oxygen level in her blood, and she came to terms and passed in peace. So beautiful processing. Another bonus in the training is the heart visioning workshop. So this is a 1-day workshop that I run on listening to and following your heart. This is all about what would your life look like if you just committed to being in your truth, listening to and following your heart. A lot of people who I talk to are in transition. A lot of people have done all the right things, ticked all the right boxes, and now they're looking for more meaning and fulfillment in their life. So they're in transition from basically head to heart and doing something that lights them up, that's fulfilling for them. As well as that, the third bonus in Module 1 is 15 1-hour mentoring sessions on how to be at your best and how to facilitate specific issues that your clients might come to you with. They're the best of my experience of emotional healing for over 30 years, poured into 1 hour on each of those topics. So the second module is the You Can Change Your Life program. It's a 10-unit program that you work through sequentially to really clear the blocks that are holding you back. And then when you finish that, you get to deliver similar program based on the same 8 key areas called Tune Up Your Life. That's all packaged up and done for you. So you're probably wondering what's the price of all of this, and if you add up the elements in it for modules 1, 2, and 3, the value of it is over $10,000, but we don't sell it for that. At the moment, we have it for a 70% discount of $29.50, and you can pay that in 6 monthly installments, right? And if you pay up front, we offer a discount of $2,700, right? So this is a super great deal. This is a career opportunity. This is something that you can take with you for the rest of your life. It's a genuine career that people are using and building a lifestyle with this all around the world. We have Makeda in Czechoslovakia. She's a lawyer, transformed to breathwork practitioner, and beautiful mum as well in the process. So this is a genuine career opportunity. 2,700 or 2,950, absolute golden opportunity. If you want to jump in, listen to your heart, throw your hat over the fence or into the ring, come and join us for our next training. We'd love to have you with us. So this is a genuine opportunity where you can start a new career and pay for the whole certification training with just 3 clients, right? That's all you need to enroll. That's totally doable. And if I haven't met you yet, if you want to take us up on this opportunity, that would be beautiful. Yes, we have a refresher rate, which is 20% of original fee. And if you haven't met you in person, I would love to connect with you to find out where you're at and what it is that you're looking for, so we could together map out a pathway to help you to get there, so that you'll get the enthusiasm to move forward in your life and give the gifts that you're here on earth to give.